I designed this PCB using EasyEDA, generated the Gerber files, and ordered it from JLCPCB. If you'd like to make the same PCB, the files and links are available in the description. JLCPCB offers high-quality PCB manufacturing at a very affordable price, and the quality of the boards is excellent. They also provide complete one-stop PCBA services, handling everything in-house, from component sourcing and SMT assembly to the final assembled board. Simply upload your Gerber files, choose the PCB specifications such as color, thickness, and quantity, and if you need assembly service, upload your BOM and CPL files as well. Once everything is set, add it to the cart, place the order, and wait for delivery right to your doorstep. To install the software, connect the SD card to your computer and open Raspberry Pi Imager, select the operating system and storage device, then click Flash. Once flashing is complete, insert the SD card into the Raspberry Pi and power it on. After booting, you can connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and use it like a pocket-sized PC for browsing the web, using ChatGPT, watching YouTube, searching on Google, and more. It is also perfect for electronics projects, allowing you to connect sensors and modules directly to the GPIO pins and control them through the terminal. For example, I connected an LED to a GPIO pin and simply pasted an LED blink code generated by ChatGPT, and the LED started blinking instantly. Nowadays, you can just describe your project idea to ChatGPT, get the required code, copy and paste it, and start testing right away. You can use the same method with servos, WS2812 LED strips, displays, motors, sensors, and many other modules, making this portable Raspberry Pi setup an all-in-one tool for makers, students, and electronics enthusiasts to learn, experiment, and build projects anywhere.